Welcome to Global Wealth Clinic, where we discuss and break down how to properly manage your finances, from saving strategies and insurance to retirement planning. I'm your host, Amber.
And I'm your co-host, Brian.
On our last episode, we covered required minimum distributions, otherwise known as RMDs. To quickly summarize, they are mandatory annual withdrawals from your retirement accounts once you reach a certain age so that they may be taxed instead of being indefinitely deferred. Today, we'll cover how RMDs can help you make tax-efficient decisions in regards to donations and inheritance. So to start us off, many people successfully pay off their mortgage after retiring. They then consider making charitable donations to organizations they want to support. But there's just one problem. If the amount they want to donate does not exceed the standard deduction, they will miss out on significant tax benefits. Is there a way to make charitable donations tax-deductible?
Yes. In fact, we can kill two birds with one stone here. If you are over 70 and a half years old and have a retirement plan, you can do what are called qualified charitable donations, or QCDs. QCDs are donations of up to $100,000 every year that are not counted as part of your income. You can withdraw these QCDs from your retirement plan and donate to whatever organization you want to support, without having to report it as income. By doing this, you not only avoid RMD issues, you also receive the tax benefits from meeting the standard deduction.
But what if they're not quite sure what organization they want to donate to?
If you want to take advantage of this system but aren't sure which organization to donate to yet, you can use donor-advised funds to deposit the money for the time being, until you decide later who to donate to and how much. That money for a year is also not counted as part of your income.
And how about inheritors? How do they inherit the money from a retirement account in a tax-efficient manner?
This can work two ways, depending on who is inheriting the money. If the inheritor is a spouse, the spouse can withdraw RMDs based on their age. If the account holder passes away before the spouse is 73 years old, they can keep accumulating the RMD until they turn 73 and withdraw then.
But what if the inheritor is not a spouse, such as their children?
If the inheritor is a son or daughter, they should follow the 10-year rule of non-spouse beneficiaries withdrawing the money within 10 years. And how they do that depends on the type of the account. For traditional IRA, we would recommend the child beneficiary to spread out that withdrawal evenly over that 10 years.
And what would that look like?
So, for example, if there's $1 million for the child to inherit, they can withdraw $100,000 or more every year, as long as they finish withdrawing the full amount within 10 years.
I know you mentioned that the way to follow the 10-year rule depends on the type of account. Aside from a traditional IRA, what's the other account type?
That would be a Roth IRA. For a Roth IRA, you can do the same as a traditional IRA, but you also have another option if you prefer. Since a Roth IRA is tax-free, if you didn't want to withdraw immediately, you can keep that money in the account until the 10th year and then withdraw all at once. This way, the money can accumulate over the initial 9 years tax-free. So a Roth tends to be a more flexible option for leaving inheritances to children.
That's all we have for you today. Thanks for tuning in to Global Wealth Clinic. Leave some comments below on topics you'd be interested in hearing us discuss in the future. Make sure to subscribe and join us next time as we continue to explore the world of financial planning.